What's up, traders? This is Currency Wealth Exchange daily video update. Now, without wasting further time, we can see that the entire Monday on the DXY on dollar strength was just not going anywhere. Hence, most pairs were bullish against the dollar and some pairs were bearish. We had to trade individual pairs on their own merit. Now, going over to Tuesday, on Tuesday, we can see that there is a little bit of momentum building up into this day. What I would like to see today is maybe a little bit of a retest and then a continuation and the last push to test this broken support turning resistance right at this area. Now, maybe on NFP, we will be right around this area to continue going up or to continue going down. All I know is I'm not going to sell this unless there is a break of this structure and a retest so that I can continue going down. I will not sell this as long as this keeps on going, and I will look for bearish patterns and formation on this area firstly, and I would look for bearish patterns and formations on the second place. Now, this is the DXY daily update. Make sure you are up to date with our analysis. Make sure you like, you subscribe to make sure that you do not forget even a single video, or you don't miss even a single video, because with these videos we can help you see what is going to happen today, or we can help you see what is going to happen the following day or the few coming hours. So without wasting further time, let me go over to the euro and the dollar. So moving over to the euro and the dollar pair, what we can see is last week, that is why I have mentioned that each pair was being traded on their own merit. The euro gained a little bit of strength yesterday, which led to this move to retest this level here and then continuation to the downside. Now, if you were in the VIP group from last week, we had a sell from here and this was the retest. We are still in the sell. We are expecting to take profit right here at 1.1012 and then 1.1000. These two areas here are our take profit. After this, what will happen? I will be expecting this area to be a psychological area for the NFP on Friday. Now, the non-farm payrolls, when they come out, what I do expect is to see this happening and then look over to the top. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking to sell the dollar on NFP, but I will not force it. If the market do not allow us to sell it, we will not force it. Instead, we will follow the trend and we will follow the market. We don't like to force any opinion on the market because the market is never wrong, but opinions are often wrong. So we don't want to force any opinions going into this uh, week and into this NFP. But we would have made money way before we reach the NFP, because this will be our sell signal potential. This is the potential. We would have taken profit to this level. I have full confidence that we might break here, retest maybe on Wednesday, and then a continuation on Thursday, and then start waiting here from Friday to continue going up. Or even if the dollar, even if the euro might get even weaker than we expect today or tomorrow, we might even go to our second place to look for bullish patterns and formation from this area. This is the first place that we were looking for bullish patterns and formation, but based on the break of this structure, we were looking for selling opportunities. We knew that the selling place of this option would only contradict the dollar strength going into this week, because the dollar is both strong and it's gonna be low in the end of the week. That is what I expect. That is my expectations of the NFP. Now, without wasting further time, Monday and then Tuesday going down to this level. If you are not in the VIP group and you might have missed signals like this, please make sure you register under our IB link. The link will be under this video. Please make sure you WhatsApp us, Currency Wealth Exchange. Under this video, you will get our contact details. In our contact details, it will be whereby you contact me and show me your registration proof and show me that you have funded a minimum of 500 South African rands or $30 if you are not from South Africa. Now, without wasting further time, I can help each and everyone who needs trading. Now, let me not waste another time. Let me go straight over to our last but not least free pair that I will do here on YouTube. The most VIP group signals I don't share here on YouTube. I do not share with anybody. So without wasting further time, let's go straight over to our pound and dollar. And now last but not least, this is the daily update of the pound and the dollar. Without wasting further time, I would like us to pay attention to certain movements like this. What does this symbolize to you? Does this symbolize strength of the dollar over the pound or the resistance of the pound over the dollar sentiment? Now, you have to be psychologically smart to answer that. It simply means if the pound was one of the weakest currencies going into this week, it simply means this would have been more bearish, but I doubt we will reach the second place of opportunity to always make sure that we will reach this place. I doubt we will get here. What I was expecting, or what I'm still expecting, because I'm still in a sell on this from Friday, I have a sell from this area. I take profit is still 31123100 right here. Take profit is still at my buy zone. Now, if this was to break and make a new high, I would still be looking for bullish opportunities because trust me, buying the dollar against the pound is not a good idea. You must only be looking for bullish setups. Having signals like mine here is only for those people who have a certain specific skill or experience in trading. Not everybody can take trades like this. Now, without wasting further time, after breaking this new high, all I'm expecting is the continuation to the upside right here. This is all I'm expecting. So if this will break here, but if it doesn't, it continues and it takes profit 1 and 2 right here. This is still a great place to look for bullish patterns and formations and a wave to the upside. Now, all the big waves of this week's are targeted or are mainly focused on dollar weakness. I am not interested in any dollar strength this week. Hence, we are approaching our take profit. Maybe from last week, yes. That is why we have not sent any signal, even in the free VIP group. We have not sent any signal from Monday till today because we are still in a trade and the market has not changed. Now, you will get different types of mentors who will tell you that they will give you 15 signals a day. If they give you 15 signals a day, they are forcing something in the market. They are forcing their opinions on the market. The market is not always nice. So you gotta learn when to wait and watch the market, when to think, when to be patient. So if you don't have the necessary skills to do or be a certain, to be someone who's different, to be a person who understands that you can never force the market to go your direction. The market will only go in your direction if the market is going in your direction, not because you were right all the time. Now, the psychology of trading is one part that I would like to cover on the next videos. So without wasting further time, I'm still looking for great opportunities from this place as long as we do not break above here and retest to continue up. I'm still looking for this. If we don't break this area above here at 1.3150, I would still be looking for sales, even if we come higher. But as long as we do not break above here, we will still continue here on Wednesday and on Thursday. But on Friday on NFP, I suspect will be here between this area, the buy zone and the broken resistance turning support at this area. I think this is the most important part going into next week. Now, if you want the full access to analyze all the currency pairs, because trust me, every currency pair is analyzed and every currency pair has its own advantage, has its own disadvantages. So you have to know which ones to make the most out of, which ones not to trade going into the next week. Now, if you want access to all this kind of information, please make sure you register under the link below. Make sure you WhatsApp us, and after WhatsApping us, show us that you have funded $30 into your account. Let's take your account from zero to hero. Now, like and subscribe. Tell somebody who you think should know about this channel to know about this channel. Now, good luck and happy trading on Tuesday.